What's up, guys? Super simple video today. We're just changing a thermostat on a 2006 Dodge Charger. Should be the same for anything with a HEMI from 2005 to 2010. It's pretty simple. So the thermostat is just right here underneath the radiator hose. There's two 13mm bolts. Just pop it off and take the old one out, put the new one in. So we're going to do that right now. Coolant's going to come out when you do this. So if you're doing it on your shop floor somewhere, you should put something on the ground to collect it. You want to remember how that's in there because you have to put the new one in the same way. But to see this small hole here, that's allow the little holes on the top there that you can see fluids coming out of right now. That's a air bleeder hole or something like that. That needs to be pointed up, 12 o'clock upwards. Here's the little holes. You need to make sure those are on the top half when you install this back in. On this one it looks a bit different, it's just one hole. But make sure that's upwards. See, so obviously there's something wrong. The hole that's not supposed to be in 3 pieces or 2 pieces. It's supposed to be like this, right? Here's the good one. Here's the bad one. Oh, it was broken right apart. There. So that's no good. Now, you gotta top up the coolant. Always use the actual proper recommended coolant too. So there is a bleeder valve right here on the other side of the thermostat we just replaced. You loosen this all the way, take it out. Don't drop it. I'll put some of this on there right now. Oh, a bit too much. Oh, there we go. Didn't even have to. You could just hear it come through. Boom, just like that, we're done. Now I just got to fill the coolant tank back up here. Boom. That's it, we should be good. And we are done. Peace.